Hello everyone, are you excited to know how LCT is done? If yes, watch this video till end. Myself Abhishek Patnaik, and today in this video I am going to explain all the processes that happens in Levodopa Challenge Test. This is not just a test, this is a special evaluation that includes multiple steps. That's why we need to plan it priorly before doing the real-time test. So when a patient is referred for the Levodopa Challenge Test, we need to collect all the information regarding the patient condition, including medical reports and medicine charts also, so that we will have a gross idea about the patient before starting the Levodopa Challenge Test. After getting all the information, we need to talk to our movement disorder specialist team regarding the patient's condition and how to take it further. After getting all the details and medical information from the patient, we need to discuss this with our movement disorder specialist team to take the process further. Once everything is decided, like what will be the amount of supradose, what is the test timing, where the test has to be done. After deciding all these things, we need to talk to the patient or we need to talk to the caregiver regarding the same. In our previous video, already I have told about the supradose. And also I told that we need to keep the patients off medication for 12 hours before doing the test. These are the plannings we need to do before one day of Levodopa Challenge Test, and the next day morning we need to start with the off-phase evaluation. Once the off-phase evaluation is done, we have to proceed for the on-phase evaluation. But before that, we have to give the patient the medication and wait for the on-phase to start. Generally it takes half an hour to 45 minutes to start the on phase, or in some cases it takes about 1 hour. So once the on phase starts, then we can go for the on phase evaluation. The important part during the evaluation is the documentation. We need to document each and every small changes that we are noticing during the evaluation. Those things will help the clinician team to take the further decision before doing any management. At the end of the test, we need to give a detailed evaluation report to the patient. That includes all the changes we have noticed in the test, as well as the scores that we got from the test. Then we will send the patient to the primary consultant or the movement disorder specialist with the report. This report will help the doctor or primary consultant or the movement disorder specialist to get the overall idea about the patient in a small period of time, so that they can take the further decision on the management of the Parkinson's disease. This is the brief information about the Levodopa Challenge Test that we are conducting in our center. If you want to know more about the Levodopa Challenge Test in details, please visit to the link that is given in the description and watch the video. Thank you for listening to us. If you or anyone you know suffering from Parkinson's disease, then visit to our center PRS Neurosciences. We will provide you the best possible management by our expert team. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you so much.